First and foremost, this isn't a joke. This isn't some kind of flex.
Why them boys mad hating? We steady bag chasing, living the good life.
And this definitely isn't a way of me clickbaiting a whole bunch of people into trying to watch this video. This is real life, my life, and this is the tale of one man and 2 custom engine swaps. So things are starting to get a little cramped in the shop with my project, plus now I have the customer vehicle and the donor drivetrain ready to go. Wait, you're not familiar with either of these 2 builds? You should probably check out the link up here and watch some videos and catch up.
Commercial! Commercial!
Ooh, right. If you're watching this in real time, there isn't gonna be a link because I haven't even done the jobs yet. So, for all of those who are not from the future,
I'm from the future.
pay attention. So I decided I wanted to do an LS swap, not because it was the cool thing to do, but because I needed cheap, reliable power for a full-size rig that I was building. So I already drove all the way to Maine to get it, parts truck, drove it back, hit a bird on the way back, drove it all the way home though, with no problems. It was a perfectly good running vehicle that I decided to completely strip apart and sell all the remaining parts, so I can't even put it back together if I want to. Then a customer hit me up with a completely custom one-off engine swap, not because, again, it was a cool thing to do, but because they wanted cheap, reliable power to make this into an overland vehicle. So I said, why not? I'm always up for a challenge. So they managed to get it towed down right before a snowstorm, so I'm stuffed in the shop here now with my vehicle, the frame it's going on, my engine and drivetrain, plus the customer's vehicle and their engine and drivetrain, and I have to do it all by myself. Woo! Yeah. You get all that? Man, that was a mouthful. Where to begin? Well, it's gonna be a lot, and I'm one person. Now, I'm gonna be posting each of these builds individually, so you'll see in the backgrounds of each video different stuff going on and the progress of each one, but trust me, you're not gonna be missing anything because I'm gonna have both of them uploaded, not simultaneously because I'm not a freaking robot here, but we'll get them done. And it's gonna be crazy, so stay tuned.